On 22nd February 2022, Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma had unveiled the commemorative artistic mural at the entrance to the State Central Library premises at IGP Point, Shillong. The mural was executed by renowned artist of the state, Raphael Wadri. Later, the Chief Minister also inaugurated the refurbished U Sotham Auditorium after having flagged off the museum on wheels within the same premises. Dignitaries present during the event included Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, Minister of Arts and Culture Sanbor Shulai, Chief Secretary R.V. Suchiang, Principal Secretary Dr. P. Shakil Ahmed, and Commissioner and Secretary Arts and Culture Department Frederick Roy Kharkongor. On the occasion, several books on Meghalaya were released. Various musical performances also formed part of the program.
To Mario Patel.
It gave those rights to me, Meghalaya, Meghalaya. You're beautiful to me, Meghalaya, Meghalaya, Meghalaya. You're beautiful to me, Meghalaya. From the hills we are born this land. We say the abode of clouds that strikes the sky. The wind, the rain have only made us stronger. Like our forefathers who laid the lives to build this homeland, we too shall stand for the mighty never fall. In this beautiful place, where my name is my life, I'm proud we are here, the land of the brave. Where I know we are free to protect identity. No, I won't forget those who died, who gave those rights to me. Meghalaya, Meghalaya, beautiful to me, Meghalaya.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma expressed his gratitude to the Arts and Culture Department for the artistic mural which depicts various aspects of culture and tradition of the state. The mural not only enhances the aesthetic look of the place but would serve as a tourist attraction and help them understand and know the state in a better manner, added Sangma. On the refurbished U Sotham Auditorium, Conrad Sangma said that the government will now be able to provide world-class facilities for both government and public functions.
The mural and plaque that has been unveiled, and truly it is something that is really depicting the different aspects of the flora and fauna of the state, depicting about the different cultural aspects, And it's not easy to do it in a small space like this. So it was really wonderful, and I take this opportunity to congratulate and thank Barafel, his entire team, and the Art and Culture Department that have made this possible. And I would like to add that it will be nice if the Deputy Commissioner and others could ensure that some kind of a protection barrier is there, because we are all concerned that it's right at the turning of the road, so there could be some incidents that we need to ensure that the entire piece of art that's there should be protected. And I'm sure that it will also become a location where people would like to click pictures, so we may want to just create some kind of a space for that. And also we'd like to have a small picture of that and explanation of what each aspect of the plaque and the mural are identified. And I think it'll be great for tourists to come in and see and read and understand what it's all about. Second, of course, was our museum on wheels. And of course, this is part of Meghalaya at 50 and India at 75. And this is really another way to connect to the grassroots and allow the people of different districts to be part of the celebration and feel the entire 50 years. And it's really been done well, and the different aspects in a small space, we've been able to add the history of our state and really showcase it to the rest of the state. And that's, I think, really a positive thing. And I must congratulate once again the entire team that has made this possible. My only suggestion for that would be that if you could have some kind of an ongoing commentary which would then speak about the different aspects that are there, so people would enter and the voice recording would continuously tell the people about the different aspects of it. I feel it gives a more lively feel to it, and also allows the people to listen and understand, and they wouldn't have to always read through the whole writings that are out there.
While speaking on infrastructural development, the Chief Minister informed that auditoriums at Tura and Joai will be upgraded and renovated in a phased manner. He added that the Shillong International Centre of Performing Arts and Culture, or the SICPAC, at Mawdyangdyang is also at the final stages of completion.
Within this 50 years of our statehood. So we will be inaugurating the SICPAC. We are in the final phase of putting up the sound system and the interiors, and which will be international level, and we will be having international performing arts programs going on there. And there are a large number of auditoriums, each one designed for different performing arts. So I think the SICPAC will be again another very important step towards performing arts and allowing the venues and space for our young artists to perform, but more importantly, allowing the space to be used for national and international events. So Shillong will become a very important place to host different kind of performing arts programs once we are done with the SICPAC auditorium. And as I said, it's a full center, so there are multiple auditoriums out there, and I can assure you that this will be one of the best performing arts centers, if not in the whole country, at least in the entire Northeast. And as I said, we are leaving no stone unturned to ensure that we are able to provide the best quality out there. We are also looking at expanding facilities for a hotel out there, so that we can actually have both the performing arts and a 5-star hotel in the same campus, so that people don't have to travel much. So different kind of facilities are also being planned in that area. So we hope that we'll be able to take that project forward. And but in the meantime, as I said, the SICPAC will also be ready, and we should be inaugurating that within a few months from now. As we have renovated the auditorium here, you are aware that we are doing the same for Tura Auditorium, and the Tura Auditorium also has been in the same shape as the Shillong Auditorium. Again, a place where we used to feel quite bad entering, but we had no choice. I hope that in the next couple of months, the Tura Auditorium also will be equally as good as this. We'll be renovating. The renovation process is going on. Everything from centralized air conditioning to new chairs, just like what has been done out here. The Tura Auditorium also is being done, and we are working towards ensuring that other smaller district headquarters, like for example Juwai, William Nagar, Nongstoin, Riboy, in these areas also we would like to, in a phase-wise manner, take up the renovation of the auditoriums in those locations.